Today we are learning how to divide integers. So my essential question is, how do I divide integers? My learning intention: I'm learning to perform arithmetic on integers. Arithmetic means to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You've got 4 warm-up questions. Pause the video and do them now. Well, I do hope you tried. If you're looking at the first one, they're both positive. 23 plus 10 more gives me 33. On the next one, they've got opposite signs, so I find their difference. I'm going to subtract. 23 minus 10 is 13. Now I look to see which number is bigger. 23 is bigger, it's positive, so 13 is also positive. For this one, it's the opposite way around. I've got negative 23 and a positive 10. Once again, I find their difference. 23 minus 10 is 13. I go back over and I see which one of these two numbers is bigger. It's a 23, so 13 has to be negative. If you're thinking about a number line, you're starting down here at negative 23, you're going 10 units up towards 0. So you never hit 0, that's why it has to be a negative number. When you add two negative numbers together, it takes you further down the number line. So I start at negative 23, I go 10 units down the number line. I combine them with addition. 23 plus 10 is 33. And I keep that negative sign. Hopefully that was a good reminder of how you add and add numbers with the same sign and with different signs. Long division, we're going to start off with no remainders. Long division is a method for dividing large numbers using a sequence of steps. You divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So if I'm looking at the first one, 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. I divided, I multiplied, I'm going to subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then I bring down the 6. Now I've got 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. There's no remainder. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. 36 cut in half is 18. For the next one, 5. Divide first. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0, but I have to bring down this 0 here. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. No remainders. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 1/5 of 50 is 10. Okay, let's look at the next one. Step 1, divide. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Step 2, multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Step 3, subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down that other 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. And I have done it. When I take 90 and divide it by 3, my answer is 30. So as you can see, you divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Multiply, 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, 4 minus 4 is 0. I do have to bring down the 8 though. Now I divide again. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. I've got 0 and I'm done. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So that's how you do it with 2-digit numbers. With 3-digit, it's the same thing, only a little bit longer. You've got that one extra time you have to bring down. So let's get started. 7 divided by 2 is 3, because it'll go into 6, but it won't go into 7. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down. Bring down that 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Am I done yet? No. Even though that's 0, I've got to bring down that last 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. I've got a 0 remainder. 782 divided by 2 is 391. 782 cut in half is 391. So let's look at the next one. We've got 363 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down. Bring down the 6. Divide. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract. 0. Bring down. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and I am done. So if you notice, we had to bring down the 6 here, do the computation, and then bring down the 3 before we were done. Okay, let's do 2 more together, and then you'll try to do the last 2 on your own. So if I'm looking at the next one, 9 divided by 4 is 2, because it'll go into 8, but it will not go into 9. 2 times 4 is 8. So I've divided, I've multiplied, now I subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down that 3. 13 divided by 4 is 3. It'll go into 12, but not into 13. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. Bring down that other 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. My remainder is 0. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Repeat. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Repeat. For the next one, divide. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. Bring down. Bring down that 8. Repeat the process. Division. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Multiply. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract. 0. Nothing left to bring down. I'm done. 168 divided by 8 is 21. Okay, there are 2 more problems. Pause the video and see if you can complete those 2 problems. Well, I sure hope you tried. So if I'm looking at this, 9 will not go into 3, but it will go into 36. I know it goes in evenly because 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Bring down, I've subtracted, there's nothing here, bring down that 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. No remainder. If we're looking at the next one, it's almost to where you could do it in your head if you're thinking about the right process. Division. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Bring down. 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Bring down. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. No remainder. So 777 divided by 7 gives me 111. So this is how you divide. We're learning how to divide integers. For a while, we'll just look at the ones that have no remainder. So we are dividing integers.